Welcome to the Nature Creation YouTube channel. Today, let's explore the Sinharaja rainforest in Sri Lanka. Sinharaja rainforest is named a World Heritage Site of the tropical rainforest. It is one of the most beautiful forests in Sri Lanka. This is the Sinharaja site located in the Rakwana range in the Ratnapura district. It belongs to the Sabaragama province and the southern province and is located 80 km from the east to the west and 7 km from the north to the south. There are several ways to access this Sinharaja rainforest. From Colombo to Deniyaya Viharahena Samangal entrance. From the entrance of Colombo, Deniyaya Pitadeniya village. It is also accessible from Colombo, Kalawana, Kudava entrance. Sinharaja rainforest was reserved as a forest in 1875. It was declared as a World Heritage Site by UNICEF in 1989. Let's step into Sinharaja rainforest. Sinharaja rainforest has annual rainfall is more than 2000 mm in areas up to 900 m above sea level. It acts as a watershed areas. Sinharaja has beautiful waterfalls fed by the Ging River. This forest is full of tall plants, so the sunlight is less on the ground. Water nutrients are abundant. Sinharaja from the medicinal plants forest area in Sri Lanka. Sinharaja rainforest is a haven for plant species, animal species, reptile species and insect species. This is a biodiversity hotspot. A number of endemic plant and animal species can be found in Sri Lanka of Sinharaja. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and continue the nature explore.